as you approach the old equipment, it almost feels like a family, like there's a life that the old metal is holding, which some say is true. But given that ordinarily people like us don't have measuring equipment to actually see what kind of energies this old equipment holds, you're kind of left just doing the 2D photography to say this old family is, it's got all the characters you would want hanging out here. And we love this. This is a real favorite of Brian Murphy Fine Art and mine, but he's going to do a lot more with it, figuratively, creatively, and artistically.